du 11 entrant de Mac Brice, le deuxième de la série.
And 4-3-3 on both sides. The match has been taken very, very quickly. And the Palancas Negras against the Indomitable Lions. This should be the 7th World Cup qualifying match between. Seems as if that the game has started. And the Angolans are trying to maximize the early minutes of the game for an early goal. It's a header and a clear off from Christopher Wu. And this is Christian Bassogok.
Bassogok et la faute.
Is going to play a great deal for the Lions, coming in the place of Muminga Malo.
Pour l'Europe de l'Est, Ankara Gucu. C'est en Turquie.
Beautiful setting.
Un peu attentiste. Il est passé. Le milieu de terrain de Naples. Zambo Anguissa, le centre cette fois-ci. Il tentait de trouver quand on sait que contre Cabo Verde, les buts sont venus par ici. Brian à l'exécution, ça monte. Ah, c'est un peu haut pour Michael Gadegui qui était monté. On va la renvoyer dans la profondeur. C'est bien retrouvé, mais là ce sera pour personne. Il y a d'ailleurs le terrain dense avec une défense à 4. Les arrières latéraux font un mouvement de montée et de descente dans leur couloir. Bassogok, le centre. Attention, c'était bien fait. But camerounais, le premier but. But camerounais sur ce centre de Christian Bassogok qui va trouver Brian Beume au second poteau avant de l'envoyer.
But when the one and his royal give Cameroon the first goal in this game. 4 goals now for Brian Beume. Look at that. It was actually a beautiful touch there by Vincent Aboubakar to set it for Brian Beume, who brought in the finisher.
Ah ouais, le plat du pied, très gauche, son pied de prédilection.
The Angolans trying to build up in front of the Cameroonian defense, except that Ongla pick it up.
Là. Ah oui, Zambo Anguissa. Il résiste à la double charge. Le milieu de terrain napolitain. Pas de solution à gauche, pas moins à droite finalement. Voici Noutolo. Et avec un souci
Bassogok.
Il va solliciter Jackson Tchatchoua. Mais la balle en cloche, difficile pour Zambo Anguissa. Néanmoins combatif, Vincent Aboubakar qui a voulu enchaîner une frappe. Bassogok. Ah, ça combine bien le bon triangle. La frappe, la deuxième du pied gauche du buteur de tout à l'heure, Brian Beume.
Beautiful passing, beautiful setting, beautiful calculations to exist between the dark invader Vincent Aboubakar, Christian Bassogok and Brian Beume. Watch out. The Angolans are coming right up with Benson Manuel. Watch out! Star United was right there. Andre Onana was stable, was vigilant, and then he got it. Excellent up again. Looks around. Finds quickly Brian into the penalty area. Brian. He saw Olivier Cham come in and he thought that he could get him, but Clinton Mata stopped it. And now the Angolans are pushing forward with Benson Manuel. Plays with Mabulu. The Angolans have all the moments to turn around, and gets assistance. And here is Brian Beume who takes it, and it is Cameroon. The dark invader from Tchatchoua. Look at that, taking it from that position. Plays with Brian Beume who finds Vincent Aboubakar and takes position up front. Look at that. Beautiful combination for them all.
Il y a cette balle qui rebondit tout juste au moment où il a...
Have the opportunity. Now it is Benson Manuel.
Elle a un circuit préférentiel par les couloirs. On vient de le revoir tout à l'heure. Notamment les arrivants qui devraient entrer. Il avait cherché la lucarne.
He has 7 goals. So you could tell you that this is a guy who almost called Dala Jacinto. In Cameroon. It is a mistake. He crashed it against Gada's foot. Le public beautifully with Freddy. And this is Jacinto. Jacinto dances in Cameroon's defense area, takes the shot. But there was an extra push. Zambo. Olivier Cham. Onglak. Baleba opens up, hoping to get Brian Burmer, but up. Onglak to Brian.
Ah ouais, il est passé Carlos Baleba. Et la frappe en fait. C'est au-dessus. À quel métier de 40 et le contrôle immédiatement par la... Déjà sur comment achever son action. Une frappe enveloppée.
But look at that. You would appreciate his...
Ovationné par son public.
For that, for Chacho Al-Wakra. No, Nielsen on his back. Plays for Maccabi Haifa. That is in Tel Aviv in Israel. Trashing Brazil by that brilliant goal by Vincent Aboubakar. So the next World Cup, I should be imagining that fans worldwide will be expecting to see the Indomitable Lions. And here we go with the Dark Invader, Vincent Aboubakar.
Il va frapper. Vincent.
Oh, what a shot.
Le corner. Zambo Anguissa. La déviation. Ten, le doyen de cette équipe.
Four minutes to see what comes out. This is Lamkelze running towards the
pour
ball.
sa première.
He's in the penalty area, in between two red shirts. Could that be something for Cameroon?
Croisé. Bien pour deux nouveaux entrants côté camerounais. Il est ordonné tactiquement.
Fortuna Nurio. Of course, Angola played their first game, the game against Eswatini. That was in Luanda, on this same pitch. They stayed at home, the practice, they had all the time to train so well. They had they still have their energy in the game. But for the fact that they are playing against Cameroon, that was a beautiful setting coming in from Kunde Malong. He saw Faris Mumbanya taking up position up front, but it didn't go through. Kunde Malong followed the action. Chatua. He opens out and he finds DJ Lamkelze. This is Brian Burmer into the penalty area, and the shot from Lamkelze far above the woodwork, blocked by a moment for Cameroon even at this last moment of the game.
Le corner, ce sera sans doute le dernier pour l'équipe du Cameroun. Allez directement. Le corner, la tête camerounaise. Oh non, c'est pas du tout cadré. C'était celle de Franck Zambo Anguissa. Une tête qui met un terme donc à cette partie entre les Palancras Negras et les Lions Indomptables. Il n'y aura pas davantage de buts. Score un but partout entre les Camerounais et les Angolais. Incidence au classement. Le Cameroun reste premier de ce groupe D et donc potentiellement qualifié pour la phase finale de la Coupe du Monde avec 8 points, suivi de la Libye 7 points, le Cap-Vert à la 3e position 7 points et l'Angola est à la